Trust that.
So I try my best. I tried my best. When I said I try my best, I mean try my best not to even touch this topic. But me I get irritated. The struggles I get real with some bitch makeup. I'm tired for go through dancehall picture. I more look on party and feel good and say yeah girl look good because I know there's beautiful women in Jamaica. Some don't know what the problem. Ladies, makeup is not a mask. It can't make you look good if you're not ugly. It can only enhance your beauty. I have a problem with the eyebrow now. Yeah, so it really irritates me to see some sort of makeup. The first thing now, when I eat to see very much, it irritates me the eyebrow like this. And I make me remind you, if you don't know if you use a concealer, don't use it, please. May I beg you now, it don't look good. It don't look good, I don't like it, it's sickening. Nobody find that appealing. Video man, cameraman for stop take picture, I don't know, video man for stop video now. Because it don't look good, and then you know I pose, I'm not sure what down this and that. And when people comment for the picture and tell you the truth, when a friend begs and start, you get rid of them hypocrite friend there. Go on YouTube, learn how to put on your makeup properly. And the blush one, I try to do, one I do to yourself. When you want people think I be a good money there in Jamaica, what is? What is for? What is this? Wait for. Like when you use all on eyeshadow. What is? Same so. When you not even blend it out. You see this thing? It's supposed to be blended. I can't ever get it red like I wanna do it. I need to know if you tell me a trick. It don't look good, it don't stay good. I'm not dark. When you have dark complexion, when you not buy face powder much, you know. When your face powder look like this. Let me show you. I'm not even a pat it give you, because I'm not do it. See it here? When you dance with your face looking like this color. When your face orange like somebody. See it here? Like when you get beaten on the bleaching cream and a malice or something. Or the foundation. I don't know. It upset me. See it here? What is? That's someone looking at the people them dance. Same way, not an inch better. I give you the concealer better. Same way, not looking at the people them dance. Big and sickening. Wanna sit my stomach? Stop it. Next thing, as woman, we have to know which lipstick, lip gloss, etc. fit with. Especially if we have dark complexion. Yeah, we have to know what go with we. You see this? Girl black like tar in some lipstick like this. Them lipstick come so. Cause some of them have some you have a mouth, so let me give you the precise thing. See it here? What is that? What that one think on the favor? I think on see them in some blue color. Oh God. What I play the name again, ma? Yeah, Agatha Fire na Yawaya, yeah. I saw someone look at dance. We no need to stop it. We no stop it. Alright.